Hi guys, this is Melanin Homegirl. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this two-way trendy hair bonnet. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. So I'm going to be working with satin fabric, and you can work with any fabric of choice. I'm going to be making use of this color, and I'm going to be folding this piece of fabric into four like you can see. Then I'm going to place my tape in the center, and I'm going to mark 10.5. I'm going to mark 10.5 round. Just take note of what I'm doing. I'm going to make sure I mark 10.5 round this fabric. So this is how you cut your basic flare, so it's similar to what I'm doing. Don't forget, you can use any fabric of choice. I just chose to use satin. You can use silk, you can use ankara, you can use any fabric that you choose to or that's available to you. And yeah, so let's proceed. I'm going to be marking 10.5 like I said around this entire fabric. So I'm going to be securing this with a pin before I cut it out. So I'm going to be cutting following the line that I have marked. Just watch what I do. So I'm going to remove the pin that I used to secure it, and we have our full circle. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the second fabric, which is the champagne gold satin material. Remember, you can make use of any material of your choice and any color that you choose to use. This is what I chose to use. So next thing I'm going to do, I already cut out the champagne gold, so I'm going to be placing the olive green right on top of it, and I'm going to be placing it right side facing each other. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pin to secure it round. If you're working with silk or satin material that is slippery, you will want to secure with your pins so it doesn't move around or it doesn't shift. So after that, the next thing we're going to do, so next up we're going to sew it round, leaving 2 inches for the opening and the turning. So after sewing it round, this is what we have. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to notch it down so that it can be flat and it doesn't bulge when you turn it. So we're going to be notching it round, and after notching you can decide to iron it flat or just leave it like that. So yeah, I'm going to turn it now, and after turning, this is what we have. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be sewing it 1.25 inch spacing. You can decide to do 2 inches or 1.5 inches. So this is what I have after doing that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our bias tape. I'm going to be using the bias tape. You can decide to use elastic or rope or a piece of clothing folded into two and sewn like a rope, but me, I'm choosing to use this bias tape to pass as my elastic. So either you're using the elastic or you're using bias or a rope, you're going to measure the circumference of your head. That is, you're going to measure around your head. And for me, mine was 22. So you're going to take note of that, whatever you get after measuring, and that's what you're going to use for the elastic. But mine is 20. I'm going to be adding, mine was 22. I'm going to be adding 2 inches extra just because I don't want it to be tight. So I'm going to cut that, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pass it around that opening that I already made for the elastic or the bias tape. So yeah, I'm just going to pass it around. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, that will be a very good time to subscribe to this channel and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment if you have any question. So I'm just going to measure to make sure that it's the exact measurement for the circumference of my head. And yes, I have 12 times 2 is 24. So yeah, that's what I have. I'm going to be tying it right there, and after tying I'm going to fold in the remaining rope, and I'm going to be stitching right on top of the opening that we left earlier and under it, directly under it, to close the bonnet. So after doing that, this is what we have. We're done with this tutorial, guys. So here is your 2-in-1 reversible hair bonnet. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share with as many as you think will find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video, guys.